What's going on in YouTube? It's your guy Rocky from Traxxas RC, hitting you guys with another video today. Today we're going to be talking about my Traxxas TRX4 Sport, and actually we're going to be talking about the Rock Pirates RC Interceptor chassis. Rock Pirates RC, they make LCG chassis, they make shock towers, all kinds of great stuff for crawlers basically. So for years, they've always made shock towers for the TRX4. So they also make a relocation battery mount for the TRX4 Sport. The TRX4, just because it has all the different servos and stuff like that on the side, it won't work. Basically, with all those servos over here on the side, this battery tray will not work with those servos. So just to let you guys know that. Pardon me, what else? They also make sliders for the TRX4 also. This truck I've had for a long time. I've had this truck for maybe about 6 years, at least 6 years that I can think of. This was my first TRX4, my TRX4 Sport actually. It was a great project back then, and you know, I feel like I want to revise it and bring it back to life. I was going to do a complete chassis swap on this truck, but honestly I feel like I want to keep it the way it is. Maybe do something else, you know. Let's see. You know, I have a few sports. I think I have two sports, this one and my daughter's TRX4 Sport also. So this truck I made a high trail years ago. You know, I was obviously trying to give the truck a lift, and the truck looked great. You know, honestly, shout out to Willis Hobbies. They actually helped me out again with this truck. This is my first truck that they helped me build. You know, they put the high clearance links front and rear on the truck. Obviously I got the red kit, so the red kit obviously will come with the anodized aluminum shocks in the front and for the rear, and they give you these red coated links front and rear also. Let's check out the Rock Pirates RC Interceptor chassis. All right guys, so here's the Rock Pirates RC Interceptor chassis for the TRX4. Let's open this thing up and let's see how the chassis looks. Oh, sick. Look at that sticker, that's very cool. Very cool, guys. So they actually give you a nice sticker included with the chassis. Very cool. Thank you very much, Rock Pirates RC. We greatly appreciate it. All right, guys, so here we go. Here's the Rock Pirates RC TRX4 Interceptor chassis. I'll inform you guys on how everything bolts together. So I do have another chassis that I bought a long time ago, actually. And as you can see, there's a transmission in here. It's a complete transmission. It's got the skid plate that we need, of course. And I think I may try to, you know what, turn this chassis right here into an LCG chassis from Rock Pirates RC. Rather than take the other TRX4 Sport that I built before, I feel like I'm going to use this chassis here. So I'm going to try to see if I can make this truck as light as possible. I'm pretty sure the frame rails are a little bit lighter than these steel frame rails that we have. These are aluminum. I did hit up Rock Pirates RC to see if they are going to come out with a carbon fiber version of these frame rails, which would be great. You know, I'm pretty sure you guys have been waiting for a nice LCG chassis. You know, I've been honestly waiting and anticipating to see an LCG chassis from Rock Pirates RC for the TRX4. So shout out to them for actually making this chassis for all of us, of course. For now, I may try to bolt up the transmission and the skid plate up to the frame rails, and then we'll take it from there. So years ago, I bought these too. I always have spare parts everywhere. The wife's like, where'd you get those? Where'd you get that? I'm like, babe, if you look in the garage, you'll literally find everything, you know, or anything damn near. So, you know, I'm honestly contemplating if I should go with the straight axle for this build. You know, being that we're doing an LCG chassis and everything else, I could do portals. You know, go with the stock TRX4 Sport portals. But should I do straight axle, front and rear, obviously, or should we get a little crazy, go with a 4-link, front and rear, and have these servos on the axles? You know, run SOAs front and rear, and have 4-wheel steering on my Traxxas TRX4 Sport with the Interceptor chassis. That'd be interesting. So I'm thinking about making this a 12.3 wheelbase and trying to maybe, if I can, put a scale body on it. This is definitely going to be a fun build. You know, I'm going to order some high clearance links for it. You know, hit me down in the comments. You guys let me know what you guys think. Should we go with a straight axle build, or should we do a portal axle build with 4-wheel steering? Let me know. What do you guys think? I'm kind of leaning towards the 4-wheel steering build. You know, just because it's an LCG chassis, I'm gonna basically use it for both the trail and for the rocks. You know, I figured it might as well be a multi-purpose truck at the end of the day. I do a lot of trailing, and every now and then I get to hit the rocks. So I do love hitting the rocks. I love crawling on the rocks, of course, but there's a lot more trails around me. So, you know, if I can have a capable truck that can do both, that'd be great. All right, guys, so here are the frame rails to give us the panhard mount. It almost replicates the chassis. It just has shock towers that obviously are more angled inwards, but otherwise it almost replicates the chassis. This frame rail is obviously a little bit shorter from front to rear. All right, guys, so here we are with the Interceptor chassis for the TRX4 from Rock Pirates RC. And I just want to show you guys basically how far I got. What you're gonna have to do is, and what they say is in the instructions, or the instructions that they actually give you on the internet, you're gonna have to cut the ears off here and here on both sides, so you're connecting to a flat rail. So you're gonna have to cut everything down so everything sits flush. Definitely hit me up in the comments and let me know your opinion, and let me know what you think. You think I should go with straight axles, or do you think I should go with the portal axles with the 4-wheel steering? I have a few axles laying around in the house, so I'm most likely going to use, like I said, either straight axles or the portals. All right, everybody, so I figured I'd show you the brand new chassis from Rock Pirates RC. This is the Interceptor chassis for the TRX4 Sport. I can't wait to get this thing out on the rocks and in the trails and see how this thing performs. All right, hopefully everybody enjoys your day, your family, your friends, and whatever RC project or RC car you have. All right, it's your guy Rocky from Rockstar.RC. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Rockstar out.